Unit 1 E as in tea. Stressed syllables in words. Open your mouth just a little for the sound E. Spread your lips into a smile. Push your tongue forward in your mouth. E is a long sound. Move your tongue up a little as you say it. Listen and repeat. Tea, 3, cheese, bean, meal. The sound E is shorter in these words. Listen and repeat. Meat, peach, Greek, pizza, coffee. Dialogue, eating out. What are you getting to eat, Lee? What are you getting to eat, Lee? The meat pizza and Greek salad, and a cup of coffee. Me too. Are you getting the meat pizza too, Steve? No, the cheese pizza. I don't eat meat. Really? Good evening. Are you ready to order? Let's see. We'd like 2 meat pizzas and 1 cheese pizza. Bean soup or Greek salad to start? Greek salad. And would you like coffee or tea? 3 coffees, please. Make that 2 coffees. Tea for me, please. 3 Greek salads, 2 meat pizzas, 1 cheese pizza, 2 coffees, 1 tea.